untitled.strategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a quick look at the markets for today, Tuesday, June 3rd. Coming up on the economic calendar today at 8 o'clock GMT, we have Italian unemployment data. With the market being a little bit more sensitive to movement in the euro, we might see some stronger volatility here. Then at 9 o'clock GMT, we have inflation data for the entire eurozone and also unemployment for the eurozone. So we could see some stronger volatility here in the euro. Then at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we have factory orders from the United States, which could put some volatility in equities. This is the only data that we're going to be having that's on the calendar for today from the United States. And then overnight, we have GDP data from Australia, which could put some volatility in the Aussie dollar. The S&P 500 yesterday moved a little bit higher. This is a new record high as well. That optimism continued today during early trading in the Asian session, with Asian markets moving higher. Going into the session today, S&P 500 futures are trading down by 0.1% at the moment, which is understandable given this long run on the upside, and the hammer that we have here would be pointing to a short-term correction in the S&P 500. The euro, well, we have some major data from coming out today for the euro, so we could see some stronger volatility. At the moment, it's just above support, which we have at 135.80. We have resistance at 136.50, but we have a stronger downside risk with our next level of support below this level here at 134.80. So we have almost 100 pips on the downside as downside risk for the euro at the moment. The pound has been keeping just below this trend line that it's been maintaining for several months now. It still hasn't established a new direction here. We have support at 167 and then resistance at 167.80. And no major data coming out today that's expected to generate strong volatility in the pound today. The yen weakened significantly against the dollar yesterday, and that pushed this currency pair higher. It broke above our previous resistance, which we had at 102.25. So that's now turned into relatively weak support. We'd have to see how what close we have today to see whether it's going to be heading towards our next level of resistance, which is at 102.75, or it's going to come back to this range. It's been maintaining between 101.25 and 102.25 for several months now. And then we have gold, which continued to its move on the downside, and now it's just a couple points above support, which had at 1,240. If that level doesn't hold, we don't have anything until 1,200 to give gold any support, but we might have a short-term correction heading towards resistance, which we have 1,260. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.